What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna do this quick video on why people spending money they don't have. That's the easiest and simplest one I can just break down. But hey, like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate the new people that's been coming in and liking the videos. Appreciate y'all. But look, I come from where people spend the money as soon as they get it. I can't speak for a lot of y'all, I just only speak what I seen. Bro, I come from where, if you know, watch this scenario. Soon as people get money, they spend it, of course. But let me show you how they get it in lump sums. Most people, if you have kids and you've never had money before, thousands of dollars, right? At one time, $5,000, especially if you got a newborn. I remember I seen the newborn was like $6,000. $6,000, right, at one time is pretty good money. But I see where the flaw comes in at. We work all year, right? A lot of us. So we live paycheck to paycheck, right? End of the year, you get that tax refund check from the kids. You get $6,000. And I finally get, you waited all year to finally go on that trip. Finally do what you want, spend money on clothes, shoes, everything that you finally wanted to do, right? I really get it now. I don't spend money, but I did used to spend money. So I can speak from experience, and I ain't just making up shit, as y'all know. I'm not with the fake makeup shits. If you know, you know. And I'm like, $6,000 at one time? Bro, the shit I know you could invest that just real quick on the $6,000. You waited all year to finally go have fun with that money. You could have bought stocks, crypto. You could have invested into a business. You could have started a business. You could have found any investment with that $6,000. Crypto miners, bro, with power washers, lawnmowers, home cleaning business, box truck right behind me, with $6,000. 1 year wasted money. 1 year. So think about the next couple years of having those kids. You're gonna receive. It goes. I know once the kid gets older, the month they don't give as much money as before. They may only send you $3,000, $4,000. But do you see every year you're receiving a lump sum of money? And most people where I'm from, they always go buy a used van, a used such and such. Nothing is wrong with the vehicle, but every year shouldn't be I got to buy a new vehicle. Every year I'm doing the same old shit I've been doing with the money. And you're looking for new outcomes, you'll never get a new outcome. It's showing we don't have discipline with money. If you get paid every 2 weeks or every week, and every week, for sure this is going to happen. I'm an entrepreneur businessman. If y'all know, y'all know. Bro, every week I look up a new bill is coming. Something may get broke. It's so many things that's just life is going to hand you. I keep extra money put to the side. That money I could have bought last night. Literally last night. I was going to buy some clothes off a website. It was perfect timing. Perfect timing. I would explain the level up. It's a level up situation. But I was like, I got clothes right now. I don't need them. I wanted them for sure. Nice shit. Put that shit on. But I'm like, yo, let me go spend this money in the stock market. I was about to buy something that's going to please me. And then I bought dividend stocks that's going to pay me monthly, every 3 months, whatever. But that's going to put a return back in my pocket. Them clothes I see the separation. I could buy bullshit clothes, you know. Or I could buy some dress-up clothes, polos, whatever, dress-up khakis, whatever you needed. And I could actually turn that into an investment and make me $100,000 just for putting them clothes on. You see the difference? Until I had to think like that mentally, yo, what's going to make me go to the next level? That's the only way I can look at it. And that only became because I track every week. I used to try to track it by the month. Days start to fade in and out where it's like, I can't really keep up with man, a whole month that I put in a lot of work. Because then every day I got to look at what was I doing. But weekly, yo, this week I put money in the stock market. My YouTube channel got monetized. Like, I could name everything that turned out good as far as investing in myself. Not I could speak on all the bills that came in debt that's building up. Because you can literally, if you're going to just fuck the lump sum money, paycheck to paycheck, if you buying stuff out that's going to make you feel good, I'm going to pay my bills. But I might got only $100 saved out my check. And like they say, most people, we got that, this mentality sucks right here. Man, I just paid my bills and everything. I got $100 left. I'm going to spend the rest of this. I know that. I got this amount left. Fuck it. I'm going to put myself in the hole some more. That was the $100 you were supposed to save to the next check, because more bills are going to come. It's just the unexpected with this shit. But the thing is, it's expected. Stuff is going to blindside us from every way. But I've learned who the real hustlers are, the real business people that know I'm going to make this money, but I'm going to also have to put some money back out. I want to say the certain person. I'm just thinking, I'll say it. The drug dealer. That's why I said the hustler. But some people relate to the drug dealer for some reason way more relatable. What does the drug dealer do? He puts his money up. Right or wrong. He knows he's going to, if you're smart, you know you're going to need money for a lawyer. Those are the problems you're going to run in as an entrepreneur. I'm speaking more from the entrepreneur standpoint, but the regular person too. From the entrepreneur standpoint, what's the difference between the drug dealer and the entrepreneur? Nothing. Just one is illegal and one can be legal. I learned, bro, you can sell yourself online and this shit is the most legalest shit and fast-paced hustling you can do. Literally, we're in a time where streamers are hustling. But if you're not going to invest in yourself, you'll never actually stack money. You'll never actually see what you can become. If you're waiting on when I finally get some money, I'm going to have some fun, and I sit here and calculate how many vacations you went on this year, even if you spent, it took you 1 year off, bro, and you done spent $5,000 to $10,000, that money you would have had to have fun with. 5 to 10 grand, bro, if you put it in the right investment, can turn into 100,000, 50,000, 20,000, 30,000. It just whatever you decided to do. But most people don't look at it that way. They're looking at, as soon as I get this money, you know what time it is. I've been waiting for this moment to smile. When I really feel like it don't feel like it at the beginning, but bro, putting the money back into investments or just saving it, bro, it's a way better feeling. It's a way better feeling knowing when these bills come and this unexpected shit come, yo, I got it every time. Then the money's gonna start stacking. But y'all like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what y'all think about this video and what y'all next plans.